Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change time for how long your device will work until it goes into sleeping mode for your Kobo Libra 2. So in order to do that, we'll need to press on the More button and from here go for the settings. Now find energy saving and privacy, and here you can click automatically go to sleep, click on it. And you'll be able to change it for how much time you want. You can also select never, and you can even change automatically power off after. So if you set it for example 5 minutes and your device won't be active for 5 minutes, it will turn off automatically. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.